Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with this Bihari makeup tutorial from my Indian state makeup series. This is what I have come up for the Bihari look. This is what I always see in my neighborhood, like all the aunties and bhabis. This is what they wear usually. Bold colored lipstick and very different kind of bindi, and even they wear these kind of saris with very heavy border and like which has a lot of zari work in it. So I thought of creating this look, keeping all what I have seen in couple of years, and yeah, I think this is pretty much it. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. First, I'm starting by priming my face, and for that I'm taking MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Next, I'm going for my foundation, and this is the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Now it's time for me to conceal and highlight my face, and for that I am applying Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. Now it's time to set my face where I have applied the concealer, and for that I am taking Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. Now I am going to contour my face with Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and I am going with the brown shade on the parameters of my face. So now I am going to fill in my brows off the camera, and for that I am going with L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit in the shade 01 Medium to Dark. So now after filling in my brows, moving on to my eyeshadow, I am going with Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I'll be going with this brown shade right here and applying that on my crease area. Next I am going with this warm brown shade for softening out the previous brown on the crease area. I'm going to blend this in the back and forward motion. Next I'll be going with this shimmery shade and applying that on the eyebrow bones. Next I'm taking this ivory shade for all over my lids. Again, I'm taking that shimmery shade and applying that on my inner corners. So I'm done with my upper lids, moving on to the kajal, and for that I'm taking Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I'm going to tight line and waterline with this. Next for my liner, I'm taking Lakme 925 Liquid Liner. Now to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm going to take this pink shadow on my brush from the same palette. And now to finish off my eyes, I'm going to apply some mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm going to coat my upper and even the lower lashes. So now I'm done with my eyes, moving on to face again, and for that I'm going with my blusher first, going with this brown shade right here and applying this on the apples of my cheeks. Next I'm going to apply some highlighter, and for that I'm taking Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and I will apply this on the highest points of my face. Now it's it's time for the lipstick, and for that I'm taking Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade 08 Wine and Shine. So guys, this was it for the Bihari makeup tutorial from my Indian state makeup series, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have done more couple of states makeup as well, like the Rajasthani makeup, Gujarati makeup, Punjabi makeup, Bengali makeup, even the Odia makeup. So you can go and watch it, everything in this eye right here, and even you can check it out on my description box. For more behind the scenes, please follow me on all my social media handles. Even I am doing Instagram 100-day makeup challenge. You can even follow me to see all the amazing pictures out there. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Stay happy, stay safe. Mwah. Bye.